I'm all the way to the River Thames in London.
Hello.
Oh,
Our
it's lovely here.
father's on the ground floor.
I don't know much about this river. Oh,
Oh, hello.
hello.
I am a royal swan. My name is Cecily, and I love this beautiful cultural city of London where I live. The financial capital as well, with such marvellous things like Phantom of the Opera, Les
okay,
Mis,
Cecily.
Covent Garden.
Oh, my
There's
God.
so many wonderful
oh,
things. The
oh.
Tate National Gallery.
Okay, that's enough from you, darling. Oh, give it a rest. Oh, hello, what's your name?
Hello, Governor. The pollution here is so bad that my uncle ended up brown bread.
Well, what's it like now? I mean, I heard the Thames used to be really dirty.
Oh, wow, my goodness. Oh, what a river. What 150 years ago, it was full of poo. Real poo. It floated upstream and downstream, and it stayed where it was.
Oh, dear
Oh,
me.
it's terrible. Oh, it was awful.
Oh, Ollie, I mean, you say your uncle, he ended up dead, but are you back here now?
Oh yeah, all our family's living back here now, but yeah, Chris better.
Oh, dear me. Oh, golly, what, you were telling us about the past. 150 years ago, people pooped in the river?
Can you guess where the drinking water came from?
No, that would have been the Sacred Springs.
No, it was straight from the river.
Oh,
Oh, that's so disgusting.
oh no, so they took
I know. What cholera was rife. Typhoid, all the nasties. Oh, it is awful.
They took a poop and then they had a drink. Oh, to hell.
And from the same jug.
Oh my God! Oh golly! Oh, thank God we got the sewer system now. They're created by a clever man. I see just over there.
Yeah, it was a man called Basil Jet. He sorted all the stuff out. Oh, he did a great job.
Oh golly!
And they returned the Thames to its glory that it is now, so I can parade up and down.
Yeah. It might look a bit black today, folks, but really, it's very clean out there.
Oh, Tahish. So, that's fantastic. Well, look, the Thames is a success story, and Ollie, I hear that you're a key indicator species. What does that mean?
Yeah, I'm a river, which is a key indicator species.
Yes.
So if I die, then so do other species.
Well, I suppose so, and because of the food chain, that means that you eat fish, and they eat little fish, and they eat little fish, that your health means the whole river's healthy. Just like another resident of London, the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird in the world.
Yes,
That's right. Oh, hello, parrotfish.
what I was going to say is that what happened when it was first polluted?
Oh, well, eventually, the river, when you stop polluting humans, the movement of the water will clean the water. And this happened to the Thames, once one of the most dirty rivers there was, and now clean enough for people like Ali and you, Cecily. Oh, well, anyway, guys, we're off now. We gotta go on our travels and learn about nature, and we're off to India, Parrotfish.
Yeah.
We're going to the River Ganges
That's
to
all
learn
right.
all about this mystical place.
Well, it won't be as clean as my beautiful River Thames. Thank you so much for coming to visit us here.
The Thames is great. Now, isn't that something to celebrate?
Yeah, surely is. Cry, everyone.
Shine, let it shine. Can you feel your love shine? Let it shine.